Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow subscribers on Linktree. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Linktree application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the option of More. Just tap on that option. Now once you are here on this page, simply scroll down below and tap on the option of Subscribe. Now over here you can see a toggle that says Allow visitors to subscribe. The toggle is turned off. Now simply turn this toggle on. You can also increase your subscribers by copying this link and sending this link to your contacts from various social media platforms. Now, if you tap on the option of See Stats at the bottom of your screen, you will come across this page where you can see an example of data that has been given. Once you have reached enough subscribers, you will see your data in a portal, something that looks like this. You can see your various subscribers' status on this portal. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.